Today I'm unboxing the Little Angel Bonnie from the Starry Night chapter series, sometimes called the Bonnie 2.5 series. This one's another limited release one. You can see there's the sticker here to distinguish it's the different one from the whole series, but it comes in the same box that the other Bonnies from the Starry Night chapter would come in. And I'm going to start with opening it up from the bottom of the box. Here's her ID card. It's pretty cute. And here's her up close. I really like the blushing that they've done with her where she's got like the line marks and there's like a little star on there. And I like the shade of kind of blue that they have for her eye color. I really like her face up. And the hair color is a fun blonde too, where it's like pretty pale at the top. And we've got some like a little bit darker coloring here at the tips. She's got like white bow with a little purple, smaller bow accent. I'm really glad I was able to get this one. I think she's really cute. I think they're all really cute, but I like this hair mold a lot, and I like the coloring they did with this one for her. And the little angel outfit is cute too. It reminds me of the Goth Bonnie outfit. Pretty similar, like, style of the dress shape. Though this one's got 2 layers to its little underskirt. And then you can see the wings are sewn onto the dress. The straps feel pretty long for this dress to me. I would prefer to have it come up a little higher on her. I'd maybe like, oops. I would maybe alter these to like shorten the straps for my preference personally. And I don't know, I think the cuffs are going to be kind of hard to put on, and it seems like a little necklace, which could go with the, I have to take all of the pieces off. And I just like to turn that a little with my hands. Sometimes they're harder to turn and you need pliers, but this one seemed pretty easy. And this is stretchy too, so it can stretch a little. There. Get the neck wrapped around again. And this also has a stretch to it. I'm wondering, putting it on from the back and pulling it forward. I might flip this around, it looks kind of weird. Okay, putting it on this way. And she's got like a little halo over her head. And there she is, nice and posed and dressed in her little outfit. I think doing an angel is a cute idea and a cute theme, especially to be a little in contrast with the Velvet Rose Bonnie, which was a limited release from the previous series of the Sweetheart Party. And here is the Velvet Rose for comparison with. I do wish they had magnetic ears with the Starry Night chapter series of Bonnie's, so she doesn't have magnets or the ears just like the rest from that series. They do have the head accessories they've added with some of them, which is a nice touch, but I would like to have the ears too, since they are like supposed to be little animals, their little animal faces. I think these two look cute next to each other. I like the idea that they went with of having these limited ones that then sort of paired up in their own different themes outside of the individual themes of the Starry Night and the Sweetheart Party. And to summarize, I really like her face up that she has and the details, and I didn't think I would like it at first with how much bigger they went to make like the eyes look, but I do like it, and I like her hair color and the accents with this hair mold. And I do think it's a cute idea of having like an angel, but personally I'm not super crazy about like the wings being attached to the dress or the halo being attached to this headpiece, especially because the halo is kind of like a little tricky to get like molded down. But I love her. I love both of them. The Bonnie series is great. And yeah, so thanks for watching.